Good morning. My name is Banapakashwira. Today I am telling about seminar about switching theory and logic design. My topic is flip-flops, electronic flip-flops. Let us see what is flip-flops, what are flip-flops. Digital electronic flip-flops. It has four types of flip-flops: SR, JK, D and T flip-flops. Let us see what is one by one. Introduction to flip-flops. Flip-flops are basic digital memory circuits used to store one-bit information. They are bistable multi-vibrators with two stable states 0 and 1. Flip-flops are used in counters, registers, and memory units. They are edge-triggered devices that change state on clock pulses. Flip-flops are basic digital memory circuits are used to store the one-bit information. Flip-flops are used to store the one-bit information by basic digital memory. It is in circuits. It is store the data for one bit and one type of bit. They are bistable multi-vibrators. They are multi-vibrator of bistable. Bistable multi-vibrators. With two stable states and 0, 1, it is the bistable multivibrators and states that the 0 and 1. Flip-flops are used in counters, registers, and memory units. Flip-flops are used in counters and registers and memory units. In memory, like memory units like SSD, drive, memory card, USB. That's all the memory units of the flip. They are edge trigger devices that change state on clock pulses. They are edge trigger devices. It state on the it's change the state of the clock pulses. It's the introduction to flip-flop. Flip-flops are basically digital memory circuits used to store one bit of information. They are bistable multi vibrators with two stable states, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 binary codes. Flip-flops are used on counters, registers, and memory units. They are edge trigger devices that change state on the clock pulses. Types of flip-flops: SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, TV flip-flop. SR means set reset flip-flop. Data or delay, D for data or delay flip-flop. JK flip-flop, toggle. T means toggle flip-flop. Each type has a specific logic function and truth tables. Flip-flops are four types. First is SR. Second one, D, it is also called data or delay flip-flop, and JK flip-flop, T toggle flip-flop. Each type has specific logic function and truth table. It has different truth tables. So let us see what is one by one. First, SR, D are the flip-flops. Each type has a specific logic function, truth table. First one, SR. SR means set, reset, flip-flop. It is as input S inputs are S and R. S means set, R means reset. When S equal to and R I equal to 0, Q equal to 1. When S equal to 0 and R equal to 1 and Q equal to 0 means rest. When S equal to 0 and R equal to 0, it's not change. When S equal to 1 and R equal to 1 and it is invalid condition, which means and set is equal to 1 and reset is equal to 0, it means set. If in case of S equal to 0, R equal to 1, these are reset. These are the inputs of the SR flip-flop. When S and R equal to 0, it does not change the value, and when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, it is invalid condition of the SR flip-flop. These are the summary of the SR flip-flop. Next, D flip-flop, delay or data flip-flop. D flip-flop or data or delay flip-flop has one input only it is D. Output Q follows the input D at the clock edge. Eliminates the invalid condition of SR flip-flop and Q next equal to D. It means D flip-flop has D flip-flop has only one input, and it has also output Q, and output follows the input D at the clock edge, and it means output follows the input at the clock edge D. Eliminates the invalid condition of SR flip-flop. Invalid condition of SR flip-flop equal to S equal to 1, R equal to S equal to 0, R equal to S equal to 1, R equal to 1. It is the invalid condition of the SR flip-flop. D is used for the eliminate the invalid condition of the SR flip-flop. These are the summary of the data flip-flop. Next one, JK. Let us see what is JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop. It has two inputs. First one is J and second one is K. When J equal to 0, K equal to 0, it does not change. When J equal to 1, K equal to 1, it has it changes the value, it goes to reset. And J equal to 1, K equal to 0, it goes to set. Like SR flip-flop, when J equal to 1, K equal to 1 is toggle. Toggle means Q becomes complement of previous state. Okay. That when J equal to 0, K equal to 1 and reset. It is the complement of the set. And J equal to 1 and K equal to 0, it is the complement of the reset. That is the inputs of the JK flip-flop. It is tell about it is the exact copy of the SR flip-flop. We know the inputs of the SR flip-flop. We know the we know the inputs of the SR flip-flop. We also known as JK flip-flop. It is the same conditions like SR flip-flop. And last and final, toggle T. Let us see what is the toggle. Toggle flip-flop. It is derived from the JK flip-flop by connecting J and K together. It has only one put T. When T equal to 0, it has no change. When T equal to 1, output toggles. Commonly used in counters. Toggle derived from the JK flip-flop by connecting J and K together. Input, it has only one input, it is T. When toggle equal to 0, it has no change. When a toggle equal to 1, output toggles means it changes the values from complementers, commonly used in counters. Application of flip-flops. It is used to store data storage and transfer, and frequency division, counters and shift registers, memory devices and microprocessor, digital locks and timing circuits. These are the applications of flip-flops for data storage and transfer. It means we need to store the data and transfer to one flip-flop to another flip-flop. It is and the second one is frequency division. It has the frequency has some divisions. Flip-flops are used in frequency divisions, and flip-flops are used in counters and shift registers. and flip-flops are used in memory devices to store the memory from one device to another device, and a microprocessor to process the circuit. And it is used in digital clocks and timing circuits. It is used in digital clocks and timing circuits. Some summary: flip-flops are fundamental sequential logic elements. They store a single bit of data and change state on clock edges. These flip-flops of various types like SR and D, JK, T serve different design purposes, widely used in digital systems and timing applications. Let us see recall applications of the flip-flop. From flip-flops are fundamental sequential. Flip-flops are used in fundamental sequential. The flip-flops are the fundamental sequential logic elements. They store a single bit of data and change the state on clock edges. And flip-flops are like SRD data flip-flop and JK flip-flop and toggle flip-flop serve different designs of the purpose. It means it serves different designs of the logic circuits used in electronic flip-flops. Where it is widely used in digital system and timing applications. It has various applications like used in digital clocks and used in counters, registers, etc. These are the summary about flip-flops. Last and final, flip-flops are fundamental sequential logic elements. They store a single bit of data and change state on clock edges, and various types of SRD, various types of flip-flops SRD, JK, T serve different design purposes, widely used in digital systems and timing applications. Thank you.